एक चोरलें ताका इंस्टेड ऑफ ती चोरी सांपडली, चोरी सांपड म्हणटी ताका सेंटेन्स मारलो परत तुमी ताका वयल्यान रिवॉर्ड करताय. This is like as if you are rewarding the encroachers. This is a reward and now this will act as a precedent. तुम्ही मुखार सगळे गरज घेतो खंय वचून स्पॉट जावपाचे, चॅलेंज करपाचे, रावपाचे देशान वोट बँक वोट मिनिस्टरांगे प्रोटेक्शनाचे रावपाचे आनी 10 वर्सां आनी वॉच एक्ट मागीर कंटिन्यू जातलो. वी हॅव सीन द गोवा अनऑथोरायज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन तो एक्ट 2016 हाडलोले and it was meant to be for 180 days. Totally objecting against this. The government has no powers to regularize illegal constructions on Comunidade land. As a citizen of Goa, I also have objections to government regularizing constructions on government land. Government land तुम्ही पाहिजे जमीन तुम्ही आय थिंक 5 वर्सां राज करपाक 27 आसतले नासतले सांगूं जायना. How can you regularize? So many governments have come and gone. How can you regularize on government land? Government lands are not your properties. Similarly, Komunidade lands are not government properties, but they are private lands. We come under the category of private institution. So how can you today you are regularizing illegal construction private in Komunidade land? Tomorrow you will start allowing regularization of construction in private properties also. Just passing a bill in the assembly and imposing it on the state doesn't give you power. So for all purposes, the act is bad in law and we object to it and we are going to oppose it in the courts. Before the last elections, जेन्ना 2017 इलेक्शन जालें तेन्ना जस्ट बिफोर दॅट इलेक्शन एक भूमिपुत्र बिल म्हणून हाडलेलें. तेंय बिल अशेंच हाडलेलें. तेन्ना भूमिपुत्र बिल हाडलेलें आनी तेन्ना तशें हें केल्लें. बट वेन द मॅटर्स केम टू द कोमुनिदाद, एवरी कोमुनिदाद ऑब्जेक्टेड, दे ओपोज. सो तांकां तें बिल फुडें व्हरूंक मेळोना. सो तें बिल विथड्रॉ केलें. सो आतां ताणें हो एक्ट म्हणून काडला वेर दे कॅन कंपल्सरी. दॅट टायम इट वॉज लेफ्ट टू द कोमुनिदाद.